What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're about to go for a test drive in a 1964 Impala. If you haven't seen the walk around video, definitely check that out. Previous owner owned this car for over 40 years. This is a real SS, and it does have a 327 in it. Go ahead and check out maplemotors.com for more information. We got wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. You can see all of our inventory. We rotate about 40 cars a month. You can also get this car financed and shipped to your door. It's all on maplemotors.com. Hit that subscribe button. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Kind of checking everything out before we take off. Car's in pretty good shape on the inside here. Looks nice and clean. Go ahead and start it up. We'll be stopping at the gas station for sure. It's showing E on the tank right there. I noticed the horn doesn't have a spring in it, so it's not going to beat. The old radio it's not hooked up in the back. Somebody put one of the new digital style in there. Blower motor does work. Let's see. There it goes. And it just cut on. It's blowing out from underneath the dash there. It's not going to have AC though. Wiper switch is not hooked up. I don't know what's up with that. We don't have any wipers on this car. All right, guys. It's showing 14,000 miles. We'll definitely check that gas gauge. Let's take off down the road, see how she runs and drives. Got you set up in here. Anything that I see, I will point out. Old style seat belts. They're working. Get that out of the dash so it's not throwing light up at you. This is the first time I've personally driven this car. Anything that I do see that may be an issue, I will let you know. There's a lot of people come from different states to buy these cars, and I want them to know everything about it before they get here. Like I said, the guy that had it before owned it for like 40 years, 40 plus years. Speedometer's coming up, seems to be pretty correct. We're running about 40 miles an hour right now. Steering's nice and tight. Going straight down the road and steering wheel's centered up. See if the kick down's hooked up here. Lower speed, try it again. Brakes feel pretty good. Kickdown is hooked up on this one. We're gonna pull into this gas station here. I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of fuel in the car. Turn signal's popping up on the dash. It's lit up. No power steering in this one. Let's try the other one out that nobody's behind us. It's popping up as well. Like I said, I'm gonna throw some gas in this car. And we'll see if that gas gauge is working. So about $20 here. Put the gas in on the side there. It's very easy to open. We'll go ahead and check this gas gauge out. You can see that it's actually looking like it's trying to come up already. Seems to me the gas gauge is working. Let's keep rolling. Roll up out of here and go get some extra shots. We're gonna drive by the camera real fast, give you an outside view of what it sounds like passing through. Oh, watch out for this water. Just got done raining today. I didn't know if I was gonna get any videos done. Go ahead and let some of these people pass through. I'll show you some of my equipment that I use. What I'm using right now today is a GoPro Max. I had a few people saying something about the mic on my GoPro 7. They have upgrades for that, but I have a Max here, so I'll just try it. It's got a whole lot more mics than that 7 does. I'll put the links in the bio below on the equipment. Also got that Tellison metal extender here we're going to be using to get these shots. Let's go ahead and get them. Put y'all in the driver's seat, continue this test drive here. So far so good, motor's staying cool. Roads aren't as busy today. I figured they would be being out on a Friday. Fairly quiet in this car, just a little bit of wind noise coming from up here, but they got some decently new weather stripping around the windows. Ride itself's nice and smooth, floats down the road like these old boats are supposed to. Say it was high enough off the ground to fit this camera underneath it, and this camera's decently tall with the attachment on it. We're gonna turn down this road here. There's a big old bump in the middle. I kind of test the suspension with all the cars that we have on this bump. Coming out right here. This car barely even felt that thing. If y'all rode in that 30 model with me yesterday, you'd have seen me about hit my head. That car sold fast. That car sold like instantly. Same with the white Chevelle. We have somebody on it already too. And as good as this one drives, think this one's next in line. I like this car personally. I've always been the 62, 63, 64 Impala. That's a really good looking car. I don't know if I showed y'all or not. We'll go ahead and go in reverse. I did it earlier. I don't think I put it on camera though. It goes in nice and easy. Starts up nice and easy. Almost thought it had a little flat spot in the starter earlier, but I haven't had any issues since. Been pretty good. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for riding along with me on this test drive. It's a beautiful car here. You can check more pictures of it out on maplemotors.com. I've got finance options on there as well. We can also ship this car straight to your door. As you can see, we try not to hide anything. We point out all the flaws. That way you know what you're getting. We don't have in-house mechanics, so we're not gonna fix all the little stuff. Most of the people that buy these cars, that's their hobby anyway. So I do appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. We post stuff every single day. Always keeping the classics in. I know of 4 or 5 cars coming in that we purchased this week already. They're not here yet, but we'll have a good update for next week. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you like this camera, it's a GoPro Max. I'll put the link below. You can get it right off of Amazon. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again, guys.